Mapping services are becoming increasingly important in today's digital age. With the advent of advanced technology and the widespread use of smartphones, people are relying more and more on mapping services to navigate their way through cities, find nearby businesses, and plan their routes. In the small town of Ahamedpur Chauroli, mapping services are also gaining popularity. Residents and visitors alike are using these services to find their way around the town, locate important landmarks, and discover new places of interest. One of the key benefits of mapping services in Ahamedpur Chauroli is the ability to easily locate businesses and services in the area. Whether you're looking for a restaurant, a grocery store, or a medical facility, mapping services can provide you with accurate directions and contact information. This is particularly helpful for visitors who are unfamiliar with the town and need assistance in finding their way around. By simply entering the name of the business or service they are looking for, users can quickly find the location on the map and get step-by-step directions to reach it. Mapping services in Ahamedpur Chauroli also play a crucial role in promoting tourism in the area. With its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty, the town attracts a significant number of tourists every year. By providing detailed maps and information about tourist attractions, mapping services make it easier for visitors to explore and enjoy all that Ahamedpur Chauroli has to offer. From historical sites to scenic spots, these services help tourists plan their itineraries and make the most of their time in the town. With their advanced features and user-friendly interfaces, mapping services provide accurate and reliable information that makes navigation easier and more efficient. Whether you're a resident or a tourist, you can rely on these services to explore Ahamedpur Chauroli with ease. In today's digital age, mapping services are becoming more and more crucial. With the development of modern technology and the widespread usage of smartphones, individuals are increasingly turning to mapping services to find their way around cities, locate nearby businesses, and plot out their routes. Mapping services are also becoming more popular in Ahamedpur Chauroli, a tiny town. These services are used by locals and visitors alike to navigate the town, find significant landmarks, and find new points of interest. Finding local businesses and services with ease is one of the main advantages of mapping services in Ahamedpur Chauroli. Mapping services can give you precise directions and contact information for any location, including restaurants, supermarkets, and healthcare facilities. This is especially useful for tourists who require help navigating the town because they are unfamiliar with it. Users may easily locate a location on a map by simply typing the name of the store or service they are looking for, and they can also get detailed directions to get there. Additionally, essential to encouraging tourism in Ahamedpur Chauroli are mapping services. The town draws a sizable number of tourists each year because of its diverse cultural heritage and stunning surroundings. Map services make it simpler for visitors to discover and take advantage of all that Ahamedpur Chauroli has.